Rain does not fall on one roof alone. I always like walking in the rain, so no one can see me crying. The sun after the rain is much more beautiful than the sun before the rain. Life's not about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning to dance in the rain. Rain is not only drops of water. It's the love of the sky for earth. They never meet each other, but sends love this way. If you want to see a rainbow, you have to learn to see the rain. Do not fear the rain, is only here to help you grow. Raise your words, not your voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Every raindrop that falls is accompanied by an angel, for even a raindrop is a manifestation of being. After the rain, the sun will reappear. There is life. After the pain, the joy will still be here. The person who dances with you in the rain, will most likely walk with you in the storm. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling, I'm happy again. Heavy rains and a good book. A perfect extravagance. Life isn't how you survive the thunderstorm, but how you dance in the rain. Because rain will wash away everything, if you let it. Learn to dance in the storm, so when life hands you a stormy weather, you just glide through it. I like people who smile when it's raining. Rain is grace. Rain is the sky descending to the earth. Without rain, there would be no life.